You will learn how to change your Gmail password in the Gmail mobile for iPhone. The first step is to get to the mobile application and tap on it. Once the app opens, tap on your profile icon, which is at the top right in this case. The next step is to tap on Manage your Google account. On this new page, you have some options. Tap on Security and Sign In. On this Security and Sign In page, the next step is to tap on Password. Once you're taken to this page, Google may require you to confirm it's you before you can be able to change it. All right, you can see here it says use your passkey to confirm that it's you. All right, and it quotes the email address. And here it says your device will ask for your fingerprint, face, or screen unlock. So I'll tap on continue. All right, let me use my passkey. So I will tap on that, place my face. It's now unlocked. So let me wait to see where I'm taking to. On this new page where you have new password, type it there, then confirm it by typing it the same thing in the second box. Okay, so after that, tap on change password. It says you will stay signed in on these devices. I'll tap on change password, and here it says password changed successfully. We keep your account protected. All right, I'll click on close. So now let me tap again on the Gmail, and I'm back here. So with the newly changed password. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button, okay? Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.